Okay guys, I'm at old school diner and just having some food right now. Okay guys, I've just ordered some steak, eggs, hash browns, and bread. The steak looks pretty good. I am just having some breakfast. Potatoes are pretty good. Pretty good here. Steak here is very good too. Good. Okay guys, it is still in summer, and I don't think I have any, I don't think I could, put any videos for you guys to watch. Hopefully in the winter, there'll be more videos you could see. It is because it is very hot. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Okay guys, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe for more of my videos. Okay guys, see ya. Okay guys, this video is a vlog only.